Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Apache Cloud Stack version 4.15 plus Mysql 5.7 on CentOS 7. This is my server information, IP address, operating system, CentOS 7 RAM 2GB, disk 10GB, and CPU true, CPU mode 64-bit, service Apache Cloud Stack version 4.15, database MySQL 5.7, Java 11 JDK, fully FQDN hostname cloud.technologyrss.local. Now check server version and IP address. CentOS Linux release 7.8 2003 core, and this is my IP address. Now check EPL release. And then update EPL release. Press Y for total download size 259 MB. Press Y for add key. EPL update done. Now install some package. Already installation done. Check hostess file. Yes, already added. This is my Cloud Stack management server. This is my KVM server IP, and this is my NFS server IP. All server information must be include this hostess file. Then check FQDN, ping my local name, successfully ping Cloud Stack website, stop firewall D, disable firewall D, and Linux you can set up permissive or disable. I set up disable, and then reboot your server, then connect again and check Linux status is disable. Fine. Add Cloud Stack repo. Already added. Now install MySQL version 5.7. Download this RPM file and add this RPM. Then install MySQL server. MySQL installation done. Start MySQL D service and then enable this service and collect temporary password for login. MySQL terminal for reset MySQL root password. This is for version 5.7. Reset password must be strong. Use, otherwise you cannot change this password. Skip table user MySQL. Done. Table grant permission. Now restart MySQL D service and then check status is active, running, successfully start. Now install MySQL connector Python for record package Apache Cloud Stack Management Server. Done. Python MySQL connector, and now finally install Cloud Stack Management Service. Total download size 323 MB. It will take up to 20 to 30 minutes because of download speed very slow. Installation done. Cloud Stack Management Server. Check Java 11. Yes, working fine. Now Cloud Stack setup database command. This is cloud user and this is password. It's not a root password. This is cloud user password, and deploy as a root. This is root password. My cloud user and root password is same. Run this command. Remember, like MySQL 5.6, this is weak password is no problem, but MySQL 5.7 record strong password policy. Cloud Stack has successfully initialized database. You can check your database configuration in etc Cloud Stack Management /db properties file. Now run Cloud Stack setup database. Please ensure the following ports are open for the management server to function properly: 8080825084439090. So must be add following ports into your IP tables configuration file, then save and exit and restart IP table service, and now check. Yes, working. Default database, import into my cloud database. Go to next step, add your local domain. This is required for NFS version 4, and then restart RPC and restart NFS utils, enable NFS util service, check config, check RPC port, and this step is Cloud Stack system VM download to secondary storage. Create secondary folder and mount. This is my NFS storage server IP and this is share. Now run this command. Yes, properly mounted this storage folder, and this command is for download system VM template version 4.15.1. Hypervisor is KVM. Run this command, then wait at least 2 hours. This is network speed very slow. This is new UI and this is old UI. Now installation process running. Cloud Stack system VM has successfully initialized system VM template and template properties to MNT secondary template temp13. Now you mount this directory from Cloud Stack Management Server because my storage server is separate. If you use your management server as a NFS server, so don't remove this directory. Now access new URL and old URL. Default login is admin and password is password. Now change some global configuration. System VM use local storage false to true. What is Cloud Stack? Introduction of CloudStack. CloudStack is a software platform that pools computing resources to build public, private, and hybrid infrastructure as a service clouds. CloudStack manages the network, storage, and compute node that makes up a cloud infrastructure. Use CloudStack to deploy, manage, and configure cloud computing environments. Extending beyond individual virtual machine images running on commodity hardware, CloudStack provides a turnkey cloud infrastructure software stack for delivery virtual data center as a service, delivering all of the essential components to build, deploy, and manage multi-tier and multi-tenant cloud application. Both open source and premium versions are available, with the open source version offering nearly identical features. This is fully open source. Check version about 4.15 1.0. Now change false to true and press enter for save, and again search false true to false, then press enter for save, and this is internal site allow local server IP using Apache web server for download ISO. This is local server ISO. Okay, now I am going to terminal. Note: please restart your management server for your new settings to make effect. Now stop management service and then start CloudStack management service. C log file. Now add your time zone. This is time zone. This local. This is American New York setup. So this is my time zone is Asia Dhaka. Yes. Now setup is Asia Dhaka. IP tables is Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.